Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Shaiane, architect, and currently I'm finished my master's degree. And today I will be in University for São Paulo. And today I will be presenting on work uh, part of a big group with research and with a meteorologist, architect, engineer. So this is a little part of the bigger research, and we'll start now. So it was verified after the approval strategic of master plan from São Paulo in July of 31, 2030. There has an increase the launch compact apartment that 644 provides. This data it's about the apartment with 20 square meters and 35 square meters. This data is is the year of the 2019, and this apartment then this have many facades with glassing. So what happened now in São Paulo is uh, the person building a little apartment of this, and with 1 year later, the apartment stayed all complete uh, uh, with glasses. And the problem of the glasses in Brazil in this how to use this way is because the glass make a difficult long wave radiation. In the many cases of these apartments don't have other window to make the ventilation work. So difficult long wave radiation to escape, therefore increase internal temperature, demanding many meeting uses, demanding more the functionality of the air conditioning. And this way, the energy consumption increased too. However, in the 2020, many workers spend more time in the home office because the social isolation resulted of the pandemic. This way, the consumption of the CO2 emissions from the residual sector increase. And in this graph, you can see in the red the the consumption of the air conditioner increased past the year, and for the year 2020, 2021 are increased too of the temperatures, and among of the top the warmest years of the decade make a period from 2011 to 2020. The warmest on the record in these years. So the objective of this studio is the little apartment is quantified the performance to compact apartment. And the first image we have the facade of the Villa Buarque building, which this building is still under construction. In the middle we have the one of the units we work and analyze and simulate modeling. This in the middle, the floor in the middle is the have a 90 square meter, and on the right we have the studio apartment with 25 square meter. So the contextualization, in this slide, we can see the location of apartment in São Paulo. So on this slide, we can see the according to the year in the table, show the increased years from 1985 to 2000. It can be seen that there are many apartments with up to square meters. So initially in literature review, we reviewed the bibliography on topics related about the residential apartment in the beginning of the city of São Paulo. So in the systematization, we searched the floor plan on the apartment as well their facades. We look for the most recurrent and most typology in the terms of shade, ventilation, and glazing. We found the student and apartment, and later we model it in 3D. We model it in SketchUp with rebuilding the configuration and Open Studio. So we simulate in the Energy Plus with the characteristics of the construction and parameters. Before the simulation, we need the climate file. So we use in this simulation the climate data of the weather file. This data have a limitation, we know that. And in the finally, we analyze the result obtained with the simulation. So here we have the map of Santa Cecilia and República neighborhoods. These neighborhoods stay near downtown of the city. This map is the hot month of the years 2020 and 2021, respectively in October and June. These neighborhoods were the ones with most studio life of 2040 in São Paulo, the year after the new rules of the strategic master plan for the city of São Paulo. Well, in the systematization resulted in 151 residential units and 78 different buildings. We select the Vila Buarque building because she located in República, and República is the orange part of the map. And we selected the two type of studio apartment. In the floor plan have two pinky areas is the studio with locate. In the upper corner we have the floor plan, and the lower we have the model of the open studio. Sorry. Here's the parameter as we was used this parameter to construct the building. Is the part of the regularization of NBR from Brazil, 15517. Not a rule, but we use with the power of this. So here we have this profile occupation we use in the simulation, the light and the equipment schedule that use the typical scenarios when the person occupy and your house and going to work and go home again. So in the systematization, we are cataloged 57 studio with balcony, 14 don't have a balcony, and 29 have a balcony and have an encourage of the to integration with the room and make that wall glasses, and that with I talk in the beginning of the presentation. So to simulate, we simulate the top of the floor, middle floor, and lower floor. The studio of 19 square meter and 25 square meters. To analyze, we use the Ashray 55, and considering some parameters, our velocity 0.1 meters per second, 1 meter 58 watts meters square meters per person, and flow it's equal 0.5. When simulate, we choose the four scenarios to simulate. The current scenario, 2030, 25, and 2080, with the climate data for the weather shift. Here, given to the model of the studio, as years, the results show a decrease in the thermal comfort studio until the end of the century. It was verified by thermal simulation that the small apartment, 19 square meter, because this had a small glazed area, 2.15 square meter in the facade, obtain a lower temperature throughout the year than the apartment of 25 square meter. That's a glazed area. This apartment of I understand. Thank you. This apartment with uh, sorry. This apartment with 25 square meter have a bigger area glazed. You can see the imagine. So a little more time to explain. When I talking about the temperature of the future years, we need talking about thermal stress. So we research about thermal stress, the paper and then explanation of the setting, and the other use the Python of the obtain data, and the 30 is playing off the limits of Celsius degree how you use. And now we have the results of thermal stress. And to finish, the situation getting worse as the years go by. The results show that daily demonstrate as increased risk of health problems as there increase the percentage hours and alert and emergency. Thank you.
Thank you very much.